Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. This is Farooq Khan from UE Tech Support. Today I'm going to show you very special apps. This apps is very good, and that apps is for if you are taking some selfie. So this application will be best. So I hope you will install this app, and this is I recommend you for to install these apps. So let's start my video.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
So we are now in mobile screen, so let's open our apps store. Then just click on search button. Then here you can see actually this apps is very popular, and here you can see on trading, PUBG, Etisalat, Uber, Share, Facetone. Actually I'm talking for this Facetone. So some people, if you cannot see this one, so you just write here FACETUNE 2. So just write this one, and then click on search button. So here you can see this is apps. This is very special, and for selfie very nice working. So I will click to get. So the apps is already installed, so I just click to open. So just scroll some here like this, then just click to let's go. So here you can see the apps. It's actually this app is free, so here we go, just click to allow. If you want to add picture, just click here, top here. So here you can see your camera roll, then you can choose your which picture you want to edit. So I want to edit this picture, so I will just click here. Then you can see here the first one top, you can see here there is for some details. So I'm gonna cancel this one. Then here you can see the first one, retouch. Then here something different, like it's actually this for if girl, it will you can make more beautiful. So for my picture I will show you something different. Then here just right, as you can see here, whiten, just click here. Then you can see here you can make white. If you have some like example, if I have here something, you can just click here, it will be clear. Just you need to just mark. So here you can see I can make my whole face, so it will, you can see here is my face is white. So it's for girl actually, so if they can use more beautiful. So there is, you can make it smooth, you can make it smooth, yes. So this app is pretty cool. Then here you can see details, do something like this, so you can check your eyes. So here I will just go back. So here you can see some settings for face. Example here, your face is like, you can make a smile, more smile. If you even you're not smiling, you can make a smile. Sometimes it's happen if you're not smiling, so you can make a smile by yourself from these apps. So pretty nice. Then we'll just go something else. So there is something you can try. See, you can make your eyes big, small. You can make your nose small, big. Okay, then your eyebrow. So here your lips, you can do something. Really, this apps is, I love it. And actually this for more for lady, but you see it's so nice. So here there is more option. I'll just click, then I go back, then here you can see some filters. You can make more beautiful your picture, more taking selfie. See here, very nice. You can, there is more colors. So here, see, I don't know which one you like. So I'll just click OK. Then here you can paint, you can put your picture neon. So you can see some light, you can change the color, you can put, example, you want light from this side, so from here. See, it's very nice. Okay, so this is the apps. Then after finish, you just click on top on right side, then you can save on your device. Just click here, so it will save on your mobile. So guys, I recommend you this application. This is very good application.
Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you so much.